Hi, this is Chad Gillis with Everglades Survival. Today I'm cleaning a speckled trout that I caught this morning. I'm going to do one side with a Swiss Army knife, and I'm going to try a different pocket knife on the other side. And then I'm feeling for the spine inside. I'm going to go up to the top of it, come through with the knife, if I can do it, and then just skin the rest along the spine. Go back in and use the knife to cut the meat along the spine and skip the bones. This is actually doing really well. I'm surprised. It's doing as well as a fillet knife would. And I've been through probably 10 fillet knives in my life. Oh, this is doing well. Okay, look at that. Not bad. Not bad. So we'll do that filleting with that side too, or do the skinning. This is a J&V Campero. Just acquired this recently. Like it so far. Sometimes the line or lock doesn't line up appropriately, so be careful if you get one. And then we'll go along the spine again, cut off the rest of the flesh. It's a much thicker blade, and I don't think it's doing quite as well, to be honest. We'll see. Maybe it's the skill of the user. What I'm gonna do is start with a little indentation here at the tail, so I can place my fingernail in there and control the fish. Okay. Play number one. Campero, I'm sorry. Campero is a different Swiss Army knife. Speckled trout.